Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2019 CR-V, stock number 25055A. I'm going to start with a walk around of the CR-V on the hoist here. We'll have a look at the tires, brakes, and suspension. We've just finished mounting brand new all-season tires on the front and rear of the vehicle here. Around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. The rear brakes here are sitting at 80% life left. And we have just replaced the front brakes with OEM Honda parts. Now I've got the CR-V up on the hoist so we have a good look underneath. I've gone ahead and checked over the rear suspension, make sure we don't have any loose or worn components. I've also checked the rear differential, we don't have any leaks or issues. Coming up towards the front, looking over the exhaust and the drive shaft, everything looking good here. And I've also checked the front suspension, we don't have any loose or worn tie rods or ball joints. Under the hood, we've just changed the engine oil and filter, as well as checking and topping up any other fluid needed. And this CR-V has just passed the provincial safety inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out the CR-V with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.